So guys, good morning. So Jungjung found a baby bird. If you can see her. Bruh, quiet. There she is. There. So here's the baby bird. Tito said it's a baby, so I'm just gonna pet. Don't bite me. Oh, she likes it. Look how cute she is. Here in the plant. Did you fell? Nahulog siya? Why? Hindi mo makita. Oh, so Jungjung just found her here. I'm just gonna pet her. Look at that. It's so grumpy. She looks so grumpy. What a cute bird. Say hi to the vlog, birdie. So cute. She looks so grumpy. Ah! Mamay. Tweet, tweet. You got me scared, birdie. I thought she was going to beat me. She's so grumpy, guys. What a birdie. Oh. She's so grumpy. Oh, no. Birdie, don't bite me. Bye, birdie. Bye, guys.